company.
And Ms. Leia, can you please call the applicant for applying our company?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Mr. RJ Kasundo, please get inside.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for having me.
Good morning, sir. Have a seat. Mr. RJ Kasundo, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me about yourself.
I am RJ Kasundo, 21 years old, and I have an experienced computer programming in Malaysia.
Oh, I see. Thank you for your time. We'll call you for an update. Good morning, Mr. Aparilia. So tell me about yourself.
I'm Chris Aparilia. I'm 19 years old. I live in San Miguel, Manila, and I
Okay, next applicant.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please write something on the board. So explain what you write on the board.
I read this computer, ma'am, because this company is all about computer.
All you have said is nonsense. Get out! Please write something on the board. So why you should hire Mr. Villarin?
Ma'am, pwede ba sa'yo, ma'am?
What is your purpose you're applying for? Even you can speak in English. You may take your exit. You're wasting my time, Mr. Villarin. Are you here for an interview?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write something on the board. Have a seat, Miss Princess Natasha. How are you today, Miss Natasha?
Well, I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you for asking.
So tell me about yourself.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, good morning. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. By the way, my name is Princess Natasha P. Manamo. I am a self-oriented individual with strong interpersonal skills. I have an experience in computer programming, which I believe makes me a strong candidate for this position.
Oh, that's great to hear then. What is your greatest strength?
My strength lies in understanding a various situation quickly, whether it is a problem solving or learning a new skills.
Why do you want to work at our company?
I am interested to apply for this position because I am passionate about providing excellent in service. And I hear that this company has a positive environment.
Great. Okay, lastly, why should I hire you?
I believe that my strong interpersonal skills will great fit for this position. And I genuinely enjoy interacting with people and providing excellence in service. Thank you.
Thank you for your time. By the way, congratulations. You're hired.